how to add the Google Drive Quick Actions widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we tap on Widgets. Then scroll down. And in here, tap on Drive. Next, we go down and then tap on Quick Drive Actions. Now you can tap on the Add button to add it to your home screen, or you can simply drag and drop it onto your home screen. Now in here, you can drag on the handlebar to resize your widget. So you can see you can drag it down to make it a square or a horizontal widget. So I can make it wider or shorter. And that's it. So now when you want to quickly scan for a document, you can tap on the camera button there. That will allow you to quickly scan for a document. If you want to quickly upload a file, you can do that too. So I'm just going to tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. It is a bit slow right there. And I can also search for documents or add in a new document. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.